solve in a second. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a math problem that looks terrifyingly tedious at first glance, but can actually be solved in literally 1 second. Can you solve this without pulling out a calculator? Look at this expression, 45 times 45, plus 55 times 55, plus 2 times 45 times 55. If you try to do this long multiplication step by step, first, 45 times 45 is equal to 2025. Next, 55 times 55 is equal to 3025. Then, 2 times 45 times 55 is equal to 4950. And finally, adding them all up, that's way too much work, and it's easy to make a mistake along the way. The secret trick, algebraic identity. So, what's the secret? We can use a fundamental algebraic formula that every math whiz keeps in their back pocket, the perfect square formula. Let's match our numbers to this formula. Let A equals 45. Let B equals 55. Now, substitute A and B back into the pattern. 45 times 45 is A squared. 55 times 55 is B squared. 2 times 45 times 55 is 2ab. So the entire complicated expression collapses cleanly into just open parenthesis A plus B close parenthesis squared. Step-by-step solution. First, add the numbers inside the parentheses. 45 plus 55 is equal to 100. Sad face 100, caret 2. Now, simply square 100. 100 times 100 equals 10,000. And boom! Just like that, in one simple step, we got 10,000. Let me give you another one to test your skills right now. How fast can you solve this one in your head? 37 times 37 plus 63 times 63 plus 2 times 37 times 63 equals? Pause the video if you need a moment. Got it? Notice that 37 plus 63 is equal to 100. So it's just 37 plus 63, caret 2 equals 100 caret 2 equals 10,000 again. If you enjoyed this quick math shortcut, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another math trick. Drop your answers or any cool shortcuts you know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.